Sino ito? Ang pangalan niya ay Sarah. With an H. Letter C, Sarah! Come on, Sarah! Halika, may ID ka ba? Mapa-verify natin sa mga DTI representative. Kasi dito sa talagang sa Channing to You, bawal ang manduruga. Masyado nang marami yan sa gobyerno. Let's go! Okay, kinuha pa niya talaga ang kanyang ID para ipa-verify kay Simon. Pwede rin po tayo mag-double time. Pinapantay. Okay, let's go! Sarah! Come on, Sarah! Verify! Let's go, Sarah! Sarah, come up on... Is it okay? Hot?
Yep.
Alright. Perfect. Wow! Sarah! Come on, Sarah! Ang munting prinsesa. Kamusta ang patatas? Alright, Sarah. Yes, okay. Are you ready to hug the chimney?
Front hug or back hug?
Front hug or back hug daw? The space is yours. Hug away. Thank you so much, Sarah. Maraming salamat, Sarah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sarah. Hindi siya matapos, oh. Dali mo na, Sarah. Iba pa, iba pa. Alright. Let's have one more. Do you want one more?
마지막 하나죠.
Alright. May mga Tagalog ba dito? Let's see. What are the wishes?
좋아요.
Okay. Okay. There was one person that said,
Can you greet me happy birthday?
can you give me happy birthday kung sino man ikaw?
그리고 제가 생일이시면은 선물로 같이 셀카도 찍어드릴게요.
Well, if it's your birthday, I'll also get a selfie with you.
누구세요?
Who's this?
Wait, is it your birthday today?
Can you raise your hand? Who wrote this?
Do you have ID? Okay, come. I will check. I will inspect the ID. Because for this one, tayo talaga ini-inspect natin eh. Hindi tayo basta-basta nagpapasa ng
우리
proyekto at
생일분들이
ina-approve.
많네요.
So now we know that it's your birthday.
Right side daw po. Right side daw po ang up. Yeah. Thank you. Over here. Double check na lang, Simon, ng kanyang ID para sure na birthday niya ngayon, November 23. Ayan. You're gonna have a selfie with her. Wow.
Nag-greet mo na siya? Hindi pa.
Okay.
Parang nata. Saan ba siya i-greet?
Come up on stage. Hi, ang swerte mo naman. Ano pong pangalan natin?
Charlene.
Charlene. Happy birthday, Charlene. Alam ko, hindi mo naman gusto ang bati ko. Kaya, sige, Charlene, nababati sa'yo na. Happy birthday. Akin nga, parang wag ka na lang para sure. Oh, baka
샤오닝?
Charlene.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my Charlene. Happy birthday to you.
How's Halika and you wanna take a selfie with her? O go ahead. Wow! Totoong birthday ni Charlene. Totoong birthday ni Charlene. Oh my God! Thank you so much, Charlene. Marami pong salamat. Thank you, Charlene. Napakaswerte. Siguro nagdobeta to.
Bye, Charlene.
Bay daw! Uy, babay daw! Magpaalam ka! Mababay daw!
Bye, Charlene.
Grabe itong fan meeting. Ito grabe ang fan service ha. Alright. Are you ready to get someone?